using hands and we can use a whole chicken with all the spice side. You can slice your chicken into multiple pieces, or you can put it into quarters like I have one. So instead of the whole thing, you have it in quarters. Yeah. Make sure everything is blended properly. Release your pan. It's not a big one, but so you have it stick in the bottom. You just remove anything that's there that will cause it chicken to stick. I use this type of wrap. I don't know what type of foil anyone else use, but this is the one I use. So now we're gonna place them on our pan at this point. Look at all of that. Seasoned oil soaked in. You don't want them too close to the end for them to stick. So yeah. So now everything is in. We're gonna put it in our oven and get it started. Now we have placed them in our oven. So now they're in preheat your oven to at least 360 to 470 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're gonna stay to jerk for an hour. 30 minutes in, you take them out and you add your paste, or whatsoever you have to put on them, then you put them back. After second coating is done, 30 minutes in, look at it. So we're not using a deep fryer today. We're just going to use a frying pan and do some fries. So this is our french fries. I don't really need much. I think this is good enough. So let's go get them fried.